here.
That's the reception I get. I'm the biggest celebrity ever stepped foot in Manchester. What's this place ever done? What is it known for? What? Chicken titties? Chicken tenders? That's what you're doing? Not celebrities, not chicken tenders. My 6-year-old has a more sophisticated palate than this entire city. There were no tastes, and they were standing in this ring talking to you right here, right now. And let me explain something to you. I am not cursed. I will repeat, because I am in Manchester and I'll speak slowly. I am not cursed. You know what? I am so sick of this. I am so sick of Danhausen. He turned me into a science experiment. Made me a lab rat. He made me a vegetable, a zombie. Do you have any idea what it's like to not think for yourself? Oh, actually, I'm in Manchester, so no, you don't. Me? No. That does not happen. I'm done being zombified. I am done with Danhausen. I am moving on to bigger and better things. I am the first ever two-time Grand Slam champion in the history of this company. I am never injured. Not my shoulder, not my leg, not my neck. I am always here. Always performing at the highest caliber, and I deserve an opponent of the highest caliber. So I want you
beating down Danhausen. And skull crushing finale. Owens and The Miz. And Vlog Warriors bringing you all the action. Here we go. And Owens beating The Miz in the corner. Kevin Owens is back. #1 contender. Taking The Miz to school here. Woo! Owens beating him down. Woo! Owens working him around the ring here. Targeting them. Elbows now. Another shot. This is on fire. Off the ropes. Oh, nice move by The Miz there. Mocking Owens. Oh, nice kick there. Owens. Woo! Oh, nice move by The Miz. Targeting that neck, that back. 1, 2. And Miz now stalking Owens. Ooh, working that back there. And now he's grinding, applying pressure. Coming back. Owens. Oh, nice shot by Owens. Oh, kitchen sink. Off the ropes and a nice kick to the face, Miz. Cover. 1, 2. Here. The best referee in the industry today, checking on Kevin Owens. Nice counter by Owens. Oh. One, two. And Miz now pleading his case. Owens. No, wait a minute. Holding on. Owens fighting. Oh. Yeah. 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 They're going back and forth